Y'all already saw the title of this video. In this one, we're gonna be going over some heat that Fashion Nova sent us over. They got some steals going from Black Friday all the way through Cyber Monday, which is when this video is dropping. And I wanna go over some of the heat they sent us. If y'all end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Most of these pieces I actually got from their new arrivals, so make sure y'all go ahead and check that out. Also, go ahead and check One Nori out on Instagram. But with all that being said, let's get straight to it. As y'all saw, I got two big ass bags. Y'all see we not playing, so let's get into each of these pieces. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. Leave a like on this video because I'm already sweating and I haven't even started. So I guess we'll start with the stacked scrunch cargo pants. I got these in a black. I'm glad the material on these is a little thicker considering that it's getting brick outside. These gonna be clean for the winter. Throw some leg warmers on and you definitely straight. But y'all can see that scrunch effect near the bottom. You got some cargo pockets on the sides, obviously. These actually have a zipper pocket and they have a cargo pocket in front, which, hey, we fucking with that. But let me go ahead and try these on for y'all. I'm actually fucking with the scrunch effect on the front, and I'm glad I got these in the black. They do also have like a slight flare at the bottom. It's nothing too major, so I'm still fucking with it. Let me know if y'all like these stacked flared cargos in the comments. The next piece we got is the heavy ribbed pullover sweater. I actually picked this up in two colors, so y'all will be seeing this again. This is the black one. Almost has like this black and white effect to it, which I'm actually digging a lot. This is something that I'm trying to get into a little bit more. The heavy knitted sweaters elevate any outfit. Probably will be wearing on one of these holidays, you feel me? But yeah, I decided to get this one in the gray color. These ribbed sweaters are always a go for me. I feel like they look super nice. Hey, it's something you could either dress up, dress down, whatever way y'all trying to go with it. This one's clean. Honestly, one of my favorite on the site. Definitely recommend this one. Let me know if y'all fucking with the heavy rib joint. Next is the front and center puffy vest. I'm a sucker for a nice little vest, so hey, I had to pick this one up. It does have these cargo pockets on the front, which are made out of canvas. Honestly, there's not too much I could say about it. This one is in a size large once again, and I feel like I made the right choice getting a large on this one because I could fit a little hoodie inside, but it's not too big. Y'all could peep the size on here. This is a clean ass vest with a black hoodie under. Throw some creams on if you want to. Shit'll be clean too. But yeah, puffy vest definitely will keep you warm. If you're not into wearing jackets and shit like that, this is a good alternative to throw over a hoodie on those winter days. Let me know in the comments if this is something you wear. Best part is Fashion Nova got some crazy sales right now. I feel like they got this shit up for like probably $20, which is crazy. Next I had to do is slight with the 3-line long sleeve button up. This is almost like a khaki and black. Y'all know what type of vibes this is giving off. That Furberry, size large. I must say the quality does feel good on this one. I like the fact that it is khaki, so you can wear it with a lot of shit. When you get button ups that have too many colors in it, it prevents you from throwing certain outfits together. So this right here is a good simple button up. Let me know if y'all fucking with this one. I actually like this one way more on than I thought I would. When I looked at it on the website, it was one of those pieces where I'm like, yo, will I wear that one? And now that I got it on, I could picture myself actually freaking this. Feels really cozy, I'm not gonna lie. And it's a clean button up. Let me know if y'all fucking with the 3-line long sleeve button up. Next we got these pants, and y'all probably asking like, bro, why are those not even bagged up? I wore these shits for Thanksgiving, bro. These not like others waxed taper jeans. These are actually hard body. It has like this waxy finish to it, but it's nothing too crazy. I've always wanted to try some wax denim, so the fact that I found these on Fashion Nova, it's the perfect price. I actually really like them, so I threw them on, and honestly, I hope y'all can see the waxiness on camera. It has like that little pizzazz on a black pair of denim. I honestly expected the worst, but now that I got them in hand, these shits is fire, bro. Like, it's a black pair of jeans, but it has a little bit of something extra to it. Now I see why people were fucking with the wax denim. These are A1. Honestly, another pair of denim I would recommend. If you want like a slightly looser fit, you could size up on these. I went true to size. Could have went a little higher, but I'm still glad with the way they fit. Since we're partially talking about my Thanksgiving fit, I might as well pull out the suede trucker jacket. This jacket right here is beautiful, bro. I love the way that the black suede looks on it. It has like that different feel other than an ordinary black jacket. That's kind of the vibe I was going for. I got the waxed black denim and the suede black jacket. You feel feel where I'm going with this? It's like black on black with a little sprinkle on it type shit. This jacket is a must cop. They have it in a couple colors, and honestly I would get every color they have this in. They got this beige one and this black. We don't even gotta say too much. Look at the black suede jacket. This looks like some high fashion shit. Am I tripping? This shit go crazy. Boom. Let me know what y'all think about the black material vibes that I was going with. It's everything, bro. Next up, we got the innovative cargo pants in this brown color. I've actually had these before in an olive color. I don't know why the camera's making it look more saturated than they are. Everyday subtle. These are actually a little bit thin, so I would wear leg warmers with these in the winter. Have that draw cord at the bottom, slit for the pocket on the front, deep ass pocket at that ass pocket. There's nothing much I could say about these. I'm gonna try them on real quick. Little everyday joggers, you feel me? Not that bad. I'm fucking with the tone of these. These are like a step out, go to Target real quick. Big ass pockets on the front, you feel me? Anything you want to fit in these bitches could go in there. Clean pair of cargos. I actually got these in two colors, the olive, and I got these in this brown color now. Next, we got the heading out puffer jacket. This bitch is huge, bruh. I got this one in a size large. This quality is crazy on this, bro. I could already tell. It's like a down-filled jacket. It's sturdy, has great material to it. I love like this striping on the puffy, not like the ordinary vibe. Color on this one is clean. You got that inside pocket. This is one I'm gonna pull out when it's actually brick outside. Little toggles on the side. You cannot go wrong with this one. I believe they also had it in a black color. Might be seeing that one in an upcoming video. Shit go crazy, bro. Let me know if y'all fucking with the stepping out joint. In this olive, I don't even gotta say too much. Throw a little hoodie under this. Probably not even necessary because this shit got me hot right now, bro. Hot. This low-key might be one of my favorite pieces in the video. This one gonna hit different. I got the simply ribbed cozy turtleneck in the mauve color too, bro. This is like boy 100% right here. I could low-key go to sleep in this. Like, look at the way that it's flowing, bro. If I don't wear an undershirt with this, y'all gonna see my nipples. No funny shit. Listen, man, I don't know how to properly set up a turtleneck. Don't judge me. But I feel like it looks pretty clean, you feel me? This is holiday approved, bro. Don't even lie to yourself. Like, come on, son. Stepping up to the party like, yeah, where's the food at, though? For real, like, y'all serving me a plate or what? What's going on? Let me get a cup of Johnny and Coke. Corona? What y'all talking about? Clean, bro. This is a must cop. Simply ribbed, cozy turtleneck. Let me know in the comments if y'all fucking with this one. I think it's a vibe. Next, we got the never too many pockets slim jeans, bruh. Y'all already know where I'm going with these. Hella pockets. I haven't had a pair of camo pants in a minute. I was thinking of like wearing these with like some fours or some shit, so I think it would look clean, but I gotta try these on. I'm not gonna lie to y'all to see my final verdict on these, but it's basically some camo ass pants. Pockets right here on top of pockets, pockets at the bottom of the pants, back cargo pockets, hella pockets. To my surprise, I feel like these shits actually work. If you wear it with something like these on the feet, minimal top, not nothing too loud like this, these can actually work, bro. I'm excited to try and put a fit together with these. Hopefully y'all will see that on my Instagram. This next one I'm excited to see in hand. It's the Lakers varsity jacket. They actually got a couple different teams. I decided to go with the Lakers one. It was my favorite out of the ones they had. And off rip, this shit is hard, bro. You got that LA Lakers chenille patch on the back, Lakers embroidery on the front. Pretty heavy jacket, bro. I fuck with the fact that it's all black. They did have some that had colors in it. I wasn't really fucking with that too much. This is actually an NBA collab. It's not some bullshit, you feel me? Quilted on the inside. Definitely didn't play with this jacket. Could have went up a little size, but this jacket right here is beautiful. I'm glad I decided to pick this up. There's literally embroidery on the front. You got another patch, couple patches right here. This jacket go crazy, bro. Like, might be one of my favorites I've gotten from Fashion Nova in my whole time partnering with them. If y'all made it this far into the video, make sure y'all leave a like on it down below and subscribe to the channel because there's only more heat coming. But next up, we got the heavy ribbed pullover in the cream color. This one might be better than the gray one. Let me know in the comments if y'all like this one or the gray one more. Honestly, I might be leaning towards this one. I feel like it's a little more subtle than the gray one, so I would probably wear this one before that one. Either way it go, they're both clean. This is literally the same style as that gray one I showed y'all, so I'm not gonna talk about it too much. Here's what it's looking like. Honestly, this one's clean, bro. I might have to freak this one Christmas Eve. Who knows? It's crazy, bro, because I'm kind of shifting from that heavily printed knitted sweater vibe to like some grown man shit, and y'all witnessing this shit live on camera, bro. It's kind of beautiful. Next we got the Let's Patch It Up slim jeans. This is another pair that I was low-key iffy on, but now that I'm seeing them in hand, these shits are fire, bro. It has like that wash to it, pockets on the front, has a zipper pocket. These are clean, bro. I'm excited to see what I could pull these off with, because it's something out of the norm for me. Almost has like this ripple wash to it, this double denim panel on it. I could actually see myself wearing these often. It's something a little more different than just your regular black pair of jeans, and that's kind of what I've been going for lately. I'm sick of just wearing like some all blue denim or some all black denim. Switch it up a little bit. I also like the fact that they're not skin tight, you feel me? Like I got some breathing room at the bottom. That's always a plus. We got 2 more pieces left, one of them being the most valuable houndstooth jacket. This one right here, when I saw it online, I'm like, yo, this is once again something different, but who's to say your boy can't pull it off? So I'm gonna try this shit on. I was a little scared about this one, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I feel like this is some Paris shit, like let's go to Paris type vibe, but yo, I'm looking at it over here and it don't look that bad, bro. Shit don't look that bad. I feel like freaking this with the right fit might look beautiful, but this shit could go left as well as it could go right. Once again, something out of my comfort zone, which I do encourage y'all to do when it comes to fashion. You definitely want to go out and try something different, bro. That's what I've been doing majority of this video, and it seems to be working. I'm actually quite surprised. We got one more piece to show y'all, then we'll get straight up out the building, and it's these Cornell slim jeans in this khaki color. This is a little bit more simple, you feel me, to end the video. Everybody needs a pair of khaki pants. I know I'm not going to work in these shits, but it's okay, bro. Like, it's okay. I don't have any pants in my wardrobe this color, so I felt the need to go ahead and pick some up. So you never know when you might need to wear a pair of khakis. Quite frankly, I've seen myself in a couple situations where I probably would have wore these. I don't really have to say much about these, bro. It's literally a pair of khakis. You could just throw these on with some sneakers, Chelsea boots, whatever you're trying to do, you feel me, depending on the occasion. I just felt the need to have some of these in my collection of pants, because at the end of the day, one day I might have to wear these shits. But yo, this video took me like an hour to film. If you're watching this far into it, please leave a like on this shit, because I need your support in order for motivation, because this shit gonna take me hella long to edit. It took me hella long to film it. Low-key, my balls are sweating right now, so please leave a like on this video. I'm gonna link Fashion Nova at the top of the description. They got a crazy Cyber Monday deal going on right now, so make sure y'all go ahead and show them some love like they showed your boy some love. The prices are right, and if you're trying to step into a new lane of fashion for an affordable price, Fashion Nova is probably the best way to do it. So yeah, man, go ahead and check them out. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.